A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Please put a like and leave a comment. I'm going to get straight into this. Alright, so guys, want to take this time out to big up everybody who watching the videos, sharing the videos, making a difference to this channel. These stories are 100% factual. They are real. They are no fiction. These stories are everyday life situation. Whether you're in Jamaica, America, Canada, England, the Caribbean, Middle East, anywhere you're there, Asia, anyway. All these stories are real. Another thing, I don't want nobody have it for say me spread bad light on Jamaican man or Jamaican woman. We're all over in the diaspora. People come together, reach out to me, share them story. So, may I kindly ask you now, press the like button on the video. Big up the trailer man them, big up the ladies them, big up the nurse them, everybody who watch it, Jamaica all over. Alright, so on the phone, I have a virgin named George. George I got talk to me about a situation. We met George come to me now, want to put this in a comment. Would you take up a lady when I have nothing right now in 2024 and try with her? I ask all of the man them that. Ladies, I'm asking you something. Would you take up a man now? I talk to people in them late 40s, 50s, 60s I go up. Would you take up a man now when I bring nothing to the table and you alone have to work, pay the bills and something cause you love him? Would you do that right about now? Let me know in the comment if you take up somebody like that. No, you want somebody who is going to bring something to the table. If you bring rice, you bring a chicken. Alright? So anyway, George, I got to explain the situation now. But George want me to disguise him vice because him say certain people watch him show, which is respectable. So here is George from out of the UK. Make we drive, make we listen.
Yeah, mix up boss, good day. My name is George. I watch your program, I love it, and I love the content that you post. When I'm at work, I watch your channel, me and my co-workers, and you're doing a good job, man. I must say, as a Jamaican, I'm proud. The other night you were talking on your live. I watch all your live show while I'm at work. I just put in the earphone and I listen. Sometime I met my friend and listen to you, I always share your channel. Say a woman one. Yeah, but anyway, last night I hear in your live talking about you in your farm, you would have took up a woman. No, we're not bring nothing to the table. So I was saying, when you top that and you explain why you wouldn't do that now. And I was like, whoa, you know what you say? I'm like, you say, can I pick up the big baby now? You have a reason why you talk like that. But when you reach certain age mix up bots, it's supposed to be you want stable your life, you want balance the ship, so you need somebody who bring in something. With me enough of the ladies them calling pay and show all them meet man and man na rare can free gem and them fittest. They are stupid. For money can buy love and you understand garner ideas and of real woman, you know, where you can try with it. Them not bring nothing to the table, but them persistently a push off to be a better man. So, 6.5 doesn't eat other. But when I research the age, as what you said, let me tell you this, I have 6 baby mother. Yeah, I have 6 baby mother, and I never live with none of them. None of them. Reason being, I'm the type of guy, my grandmother grew me up, feed learn to do everything. I can wash, I can cook, and I also can clean. And I do everything, all the thing I need a human for over here in England. Before I get into this story is just for some fun and pleasure. If I'm dating her, we can stay over, but I'm talking living. She can come stay over, spend time with me and I spend time at her place, but we never live together. I never choose that route. But anyway, my mom passed away and I went to Jamaica. Yeah, I went to Jamaica and to bury my mom. And in the district where my mom came from, I saw somebody that I knew from I was 13-year-old. So we're excited to see each other. By the way, I am 55-year-old right now. I'm 55. So you must know that I leave Jamaica in the 90s, 1999. So I'm in UK for about 20 odd years. What amount of years on I'm built. Yeah. So we met at the funeral. We start talk about old time, old time days on where we used to go Chuan, we used to go Rivan, all of that. Yeah. So after that, now we changed number, and I said, "You're single?" And she said, she's single, but she don't want an ex. Long distance relationship. Listen now, she said our ex came from the U.S. Our ex came from the U.S. and they have a relationship for 20 years, on and off. But she tried to get her visa, but she never got it. So she, let me say, she just by leaving Jamaica, and he will come and visit her. Okay, so she broke it off. Yeah. Anyway, me and her start date. Like when I was supposed to go back to the UK, I spent an extra week with her and get to know her. Big people thing. Or we are big people, you know what I'm talking about. Don't want to get in any details. And I said that she said to me that if me and her were in our relationship, I must try make sure there which part I am at, or I must leave UK and come to where she is. But I'm gonna leave my job and come back to Jamaica. You understand? I'm not going to leave my pension and all my house and stuff that I built and achieved over the years. So I said to her that, all right, tell her what I'm going to do. I'm going to marry you and I'm going to bring it to the UK. She said, okay. I said, okay. Anyway, we got married and mix up us in a 3 month time to reach a UK. When we tell my friend and my family and say, wow, that was quick. It was my type of job. I'm not going to tell you the type of job I do, but I don't know if what happened, but it just went through. Well, there's other things that I want to discuss, but I can't on this video. And as time goes by, yet she came up to the UK in 3 months, and we were living together, and understanding each other, and you know what makes up, boss? This lady, she get a car for drive. Yeah, she get a little job. She do her thing. But now tell her you, this are the worst woman me ever have. Me say to myself, I know me say why the man never want to involve with her. Maybe he just want to pleasure for now when he come to Jamaica because there's too many here, man, and she's like she changed. She changing me. She changing me, bro. All right, this it is. I come from her one day and I said to her that, a long time, man, I do nothing. So, come no me could do a little thing. Be it already upon Shaga said no. She na feel like the have no. She na have no sex no, cause she na feel, she na in I mood. And she not like when man pressure her for that. She like when she in I mood, she get. Tell me something, you married your wife. You bring her from Jamaica and this is how she gonna talk to you. In Jamaica, I get you that call it pine sure I get pum pum anytime I want. Anywhere. When to come here should change. I know people always ask how old is this person. She's 48. She's 48. So, the problem with me I've now, as a man, see, you go to work, are you a woman, you're married. One time she get a ticket, $200, and she got said to me, says she'll borrow. I tell her that I'm not lending her any money because the woman when I get nothing from, she can't get my money. I don't me tell her. And she vex on Kosangwan, and when me and her ko siya balod fi, woy, murder, you know what I mean? It's crazy, and it's going. Now, let me tell her something. Yeah? I tell her that she's keep asking that she want a divorce. But she don't know that in England, Zane, for she to get her indefinite, she have to do 5 years. And it's going 2.5 years on half to put my signature and that paper for her to go over to the next half of the 5 years so she can get her permanent resident. And I'm not going to sign it. I'm not going to sign it. I never see this side of her in Jamaica. When me own up on a show and I said people come Jamaican, people that fund Jamaica and come for and change. Trust me. I've been watching the show a long time, but this thing been happening for the past year and a half now. Right now, she's sleeping in one room, and me sleeping in one room. I don't do this woman nothing. I'm sure I love. Sometimes looking at me, I ask myself if I want me look, or what, or should it just see the opportunity for come to England. So tell me now, as I read, man, Carmel listening a story, my love you talk. What you think that woman is up to? When I see her with no man, she do I look at work and she come in. You're coming in all night time, she not cook, nothing. It reach a stage on, but just want her out of the house, but I cannot put her out like that. And I wouldn't put her out, cause I'm the one who bring her from Jamaica. So, right now, she asks a divorce. I don't know if she's serious, but I'm gonna get the paper Canada. Cause I'm not gonna sign no paper for she to get her indefinite. No way. That is it. I draw my line right there. No more. These people are user, man, these people. You know? I hear them say two sides to a story. But, trust me. I'm telling the truth. I'm a big man. Want somebody for second, and I went all out. Sometimes I ask myself, where am I going to take up for a woman from Jamaica for? Where am I going to do that? What? But, you know, when I know somebody long enough, and you say you never leave with somebody as a man, I get hoping I you say, let me try something new and see if it work. And then now, you know, you go forward from there, but trust me, as what the old saying say, you can't force water uphill. I'm mix up boss. I'm not going to come here and tell us that she's a bad, bad person. She does she and she had you from me, you know? When somebody look by and say, give me divorce. Eh? Keep me with divorce. Me tell us I'm not giving a divorce. Go on back to Jamaica and go on go live. Since I want they run me. Come my house is I'm not come on tight. So me stay far from her. When the bills then come, she put for our part of money. And that's it. But me no want live like that, brother. That's no use. That I didn't came to Jamaica to marry somebody, to bring them up for that. That no make no sense, as what you'd say. Get messy. So, but as I share the local 2 cent story upon your platform and listen what your audience them send, me will suagwan. Me na ask finna what I'm supposed to do. Me know what me I go do. Me na go sign the paper. And if she want the divorce, you serious want it, I'm gonna give her. But right now, brother, you bet I'm go and live my core boy life. Me know persons I sure would say, oh, you're a big man if you're sexual. I tried the settling thing and it don't work, so me no want go down the road again. I know I make things worse mix up, boss. A £10,000 I spent to get our paperwork sorted out for she to be in the UK. 10,000. 10,000. So, you win some or you lose some. Well, big up yourself, boss. Big up, big up, big up. I love your program, Dina. Good job. Dina, wonderful job, man. Dina, wonderful job. And I appreciate the platform. I would Mary I talk last night. Me said, geez, you look at me, met them mistake that we mix up bars of that, but me go take up somebody with. Now I bring nothing to the table. And, you know, me live to regret it. So, that's how it go. That's how it go. But, anyway, big up. Ante moya think. Alright, cool.
Well, guys. Yeah, man. May I tell you? Me don't know what it's about this now. Cause him say him know a lady from, when they did young and so. And you come to Jamaica as a big 50-year-old man. Sorry, me not bash her or nothing, me just attack something. Then, and you take up the woman here. What you see now, where she did I come bring to the table, as we did I say. So that's how you start off a conversation. What you see now? May I bring the woman, let me tell you what I think happen. Maybe I bring the woman to come a friend to come sit down and take care of your things and then something there. And she not come a foreign, she not have the intention. When she hear about England, she say, yeah, well, I go come sort out myself and try to see if I can save some money and send back to Jamaica. Because you know how the drill go. You know what I mean? So maybe that was her intention. But you now want a committed relationship. It'll be two-sided story. What if me talk to the lady and when she say, oh, Yana did agree if you just get me papers and then me go on my way and maybe you want a relationship now and she not want it. Just saying. I have to take a story. I not try to justify her behavior. But then again, she can done, she say you're a foreigner and she take the opportunity to come a foreign, and when she come a foreign now, she see a different side of you and England life different and she just can't bother with it. Because when a woman tell us that they don't want to give you a pum pum and a brother, that woman then attracted to you now. When a woman want you and rate you, as she see you so, she'll jump up on you. As you come out of the bathroom and she see you, she want you. And then again, maybe you can't perform like what you used to perform too. Me just say, me not say that. Me just try to put my 2 cents on it. So, based on what you talk about the lady, she ain't the baddest out of baddest. Only thing you say, she not getting a pum pum, and she says she want a divorce. That's a one. And she not getting a pum pum, basically, as I repeat myself again. So, I don't know. Just try. Look, what relationship now go repair. Cause if you want this said thing for a relationship work, so if she wants something different and you want something different, it's not gonna work. That is just my 2 cents on it. Okay, that is just my 2 cents. So yeah, what? Just take it easy and I say you go. You win some, you lose some. You see me? When I tell my man, I tell me say, in spend about. I went say in spend £10,000 for your paperwork. I want it for money that's still on, guys. When I look into it, I want it for money that I know. So, I can't dare talk, but I want it for money that spend. You get what I say? That's a lot of money. So, maybe man already did in something. Because now when it say in spend £10,000 to get the paperwork sort out, I must something them did. I don't know, yeah, man. 6 or 1/2 dozen here. Anyway, guys, more and talk to you about something else before, like come at the end of the video, I just put it out there. Guys, a lot of people are contact me and tell me so them I lose them WhatsApp number. Yeah. What happened now, there are some scammers going around sending you that credit card or package or something and you have to click on link or you have to this or you have to that. Let me tell you no fan now, no click on it. Oh, no, click on it. You see, once you no click on it, whether by SMS text or WhatsApp text or whatever, it go automatically take away your WhatsApp, see, and take off. So what it do? It capture your number. So if a number like for me, capture your number and every contact where you it copy your number. And then start going and call you and text you and then get your information and also then call you. See? Because them I say all of the chat history. Delete on the chat history too. When you send message to loved one with pertaining to contact or money or code or nothing, delete it, yeah? Delete it. I beg you to delete it because them go around and do whole heap of thing. See? So, can't say I don't want to know. I get one text today say US custom service, say one package is there, and if you click on link, I say, but you don't know what guys. Somebody I send me one barrel. See? So when they say them I send me barrel, then say if you click on a link. Me say, if I want barrel, somebody that send and something happening in a real life, them have to go keep it calm. Me not click on the link. I'm not clicking on the link. You get the message, guys? Me not click on none. That's the thing there. Anyway, me I come live. Thank you very much. Big up on yourself. Me love you, me respect you. Me gone.